artist/producer. I'm here to tell you that yes, it is indeed possible to go from 0 to viral, even if you're starting from scratch. Welcome back to RAC, where we talk all things audio production and sound. If you want to know some outside of the box tips on how to go from 0 to viral, gotta watch the video. Spoiler, it will include creating content. Hi, I'm Darianna Everett. I'm a singer, songwriter, producer, and RAC grad. So in the hang portion of our live stream, where I listen to your songs and give you my feedback, it's like, it goes so hard. Like, are you kidding? Stank face. I didn't even try to do that. That happened naturally. If you want to submit for the next one, gotta follow the instructions down below in the description. So we had an interesting discussion on how to build your audience from scratch and some strategic moves you can make to monetize. As per your request, I am here with some salulus. If you like this video, do let me know in the comments down below, as I cut so many tips out and I can easily make a part 2. Let's go! So turn content into a viral machine with your creative ideas. Start your own challenge or trend. Even if you don't have a following yet, a well-timed, unique challenge can easily grab people's attention. Create a fun or quirky challenge that uses your song. For example, if you have a catchy beat, challenge your followers to create something unique. Or let's say your song is really good to run to. Take a video where you're like, point of view, you just had the best run of your life listening to this song. Challenge your followers to then do the same. Encourage them to use a catchy hashtag. When others start using your music, it becomes a free promotional tool. Make mini campaigns for specific audiences. You don't need to go broad. Sometimes the most powerful content connects with a niche group. Start creating content specifically targeting smaller, more niche communities. For example, if your song has a specific vibe, like lo-fi or EDM, create content tailored for fans of that specific genre. Or even better yet, choose a related hobby that all those people share and do content of that. The more specific, the better. Create shareable memes. Memes are one of the easiest ways to get your music to go viral. My favorite example is surprise. Man, every single time anyone says surprise, that automatically just plays in my head. It's so good. But you can put that at the end of any video of anything relatable and it hits the mark. So if you have a really funny lyric or something that just like totally hits the mark, use it. Create a meme. It's such a fun and easy way to go viral. Use funny, relatable lyrics or a short attention-grabbing clip from your track to create memes. These are so highly shareable, so I would definitely highly suggest to not take yourself too seriously and go create a bunch of memes. Leverage multiple accounts, micro-influencers, and low-budget promotion. Building an audience from scratch requires being everywhere and using any means necessary to gain traction. Instead of just focusing on one platform, create a strategy that allows you to utilize multiple social media accounts, each with a slightly different focus. A personal account where you show the artist's journey. A dedicated music account where you post your tracks, teasers, and performances. An account for music inspiration or production tips, where you share snippets of your production process and music making advice. So, if you want a slightly less ethical option and you want to be super sneaky, I have some dark arts for you. This would require you to have a decent amount of time on your hands as well as a small budget. You can use AI to help you create a bunch of different content in a bunch of different niches. Like, think outside the box. Minecraft videos, sports reaction videos, cat videos. Literally could be anything. Then you post 3 to 5 times a day per account. The key is that you use your music in absolutely everything that you post. And again, this will take some time to set up and can be done with automation. But this will then share your song with so many different types of accounts and even get it maybe starting as a trend. Another way is to collaborate with micro-influencers. Micro-influencers, people with like 500 to like 10,000 followers, are more likely to engage with you. And better yet, they're usually open to collaborations as well as don't require such a high budget. So maybe be brave and share your song with them and be like, hey, this is my story, this is my song. It means so much if you would use my song in your track if you feel inspired. And then if they do it, say like, I could pay you like $50, $100, whatever it is that you can put, $25, I'll buy you a coffee. Whatever, you can then share it with a bunch of different micro-influencers. And who knows, maybe like 10 of them will say yes. Maybe like 2 of them will say yes. Maybe even 1. But if it's 1, that's still good. It's more than none. So leverage your micro-influencers, figure out your budget prior to, and make sure you're not overextending yourself. But ultimately, I think the best thing to do is put it out there. Worst case scenario is they say no or don't answer. I doubt they're going to be like, you suck. I'm never going to talk to you again. You don't have anything to worry about it. Go put yourself out there. So right now, social media is very much, unfortunately, a little bit of a pay-to-play game. That being said, if you have a little budget together, like maybe $100, $50, and you do $5 to $10 a day for like 5 to 10 days, you can get your song in front of a whole bunch of new people, and you can test out to see if your video is performing well, if it gets picked up, and it'll give you analytics back. And that's really important information so that you can pivot. I highly suggest doing this to test out your content, to see and redirect how it's getting engaged with. So really good, just like barometer to check where you're at, but also a really good strategy for getting new followers. So you want to build and monetize your super fans from day one. Super fans are the backbone of any music career. I have my day one super fan, Omar. Love him. They are the people who will buy your music, support your live shows, and share your work with their friends and followers. Building them from scratch can seem difficult. So here are a few strategies that I think will help. Create a VIP experience for your early supporters. Even with a small following, you can start treating your fans like VIPs. Offer behind-the-scenes content, limited access to new music, or offer one-on-one sessions, like a production breakdown or a live Q&A. These fans will feel valued, and when they feel valued and seen, you build like an actual friendship with them, and they'll be so much more likely to support you as your career goes. Offer exclusive personal experiences. Monetize through one-on-one engagement. Offer a pay-what-you-want model for personal interactions, like live song critiques, personal shout-outs, or even music production advice. Like, how cool would it be to buy your favorite artist a coffee and they directly get to see that you did that? These people, I know I would be so happy. Like, imagine buying Jeff Buckley a coffee? What? Whatever I could get him. Like, are you kidding me? Ugh, take my money. I could be easy super fan. So if I can do it, I'm sure every other person would be so happy. Like, think of your favorite artists. Would you not love to support them in any way? Just like buying them a coffee? Man, 100%. That pay as you want model, people want to participate and show up for you. So why not just enable it to happen? Early fans appreciate attention and will in turn become more loyal. Make them feel like an insider in your creative process. Crowdfunding for your super fans. Platforms like Patreon or Locals allow you to create a paid and or by donation members club. Offer your super fans exclusive content, exclusive live streams, or personal thank you video, whatever it may be, something that you can personally thank them for supporting you. You really don't need a huge following to make it work. You just need a handful of people that are ready to support you. Create exclusive digital products. If you don't have any physical products, literally, that's totally fine. Why not create some digital ones? Whether it be stems, sample packs, or even just like a phone background that has a funny inside joke that you guys have. Like, whatever it is, people are going to be excited to rep you. They're going to be like, yes, I love this person. They're such a good artist. I'm part of the cool crew that knew them from before. Whatever you can deliver on, do it. Create a digital product. If you guys want some creative ideas on building digital products as an artist, let me know. That was one of the videos that I thought of maybe doing, but can definitely do that video for you guys. So another thing you can do is I highly recommend looking up John Bellion. He just created a really cool, fun, exclusive members club for his latest release. Dive into it, register for it, check it out. I think it's really cool and gives some interesting ideas on how to create a whole universe for your early fans. All right, guys, so for the next video, I will be going over some tips on how to create an artist identity, as well as a brand book. This will help you make sure that everything you do will always be putting you and your artistic vision at the front. We will be having another live stream very soon where I will be listening to your tracks and giving you live feedback. So if you want to submit your tracks, please submit your tracks to darianna.listentomytrack@gmail.com. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope this helped. I know releasing music at the beginning is really stressful, but I believe in you. So go be amazing and be bold. Go put yourself out there. I'm sure it'll work. And if it doesn't work, pivot. You know, like Ross from Friends. He's like, pivot with the couch. Pivot! Anyway, I hope to see you in the next one, as well as the live stream. So submit your tracks. I want to hear it. All right, Darianna.listentomytrack@gmail.com. Okay,